Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to hide the price in Shopify. This is useful if you're running a wholesale store, want to create a members-only pricing structure, or simply prefer customers to contact you for quotes instead of seeing prices up front. To start, open your browser and navigate to shopify.com. Once you're there, log into your Shopify account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Shopify homepage where you can manage all aspects of your store. Now, on the left side of your screen, locate and click on Online Store. This section controls everything related to how your store appears to customers. Once you click it, you'll see your current theme displayed. This is the design template your store is currently using. Next to your theme, you'll notice 3 dots. Click on those dots, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Edit Code. This option takes you into the back end of your theme where you can make custom modifications. You'll now be directed to your Code Editor tab. This is where all your theme files are stored and where you can make precise adjustments to how your store functions and looks. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as we'll be navigating through several folders here. On the left side of the code editor, look for a folder labeled Snippets and click on it. Snippets are small, reusable pieces of code that control specific elements across your store. Within this folder, find and click on the file called card-product.liquid. This file specifically controls how product cards, including pricing, are displayed on your store. Once the file opens, press Ctrl and F on your keyboard simultaneously. This activates the search function within the code editor, making it much easier to locate specific lines of code without scrolling endlessly. In the search box that appears, type in price. This will highlight every instance where the word price appears in the code. Now carefully look through the search results. In my example, the relevant code is on line 207, and it starts with something like render price. This is the line of code responsible for displaying the product price on your store's product cards. You'll want to identify this exact line in your own theme, as line numbers may vary depending on your theme version. Once you've located the correct line, carefully delete the entire line of code that begins with render price. Make sure you're only removing this specific line and not accidentally deleting surrounding code, as that could break other parts of your store's functionality. After deleting the line, click Save at the top of the code editor to apply your changes. And that's it. The price will no longer display on your product cards, giving you full control over how pricing information is shared with your customers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.